my fellow WeChat users. I heard that you are a little bit confused about some tech tricks again. So come with me, I'm here back again to show you how to do it. So actually you want to update your profile a bit, right? Maybe your current name just doesn't quite represent you anymore. No worries, we can fix that in a flash. In under a minute, we will show you how to change your WeChat display name, making your profile shine. Step 1. Grab your phone and unlock the wonderful world of WeChat. Once you are in, look for the Me tab at the bottom right corner. And then on your profile page, you will see your current name or profile picture. Tap that to unlock the edit magic. So here where it gets fun. Under profile name, name your brand new awesome display name. Here is where it gets fun. As I said before, keep it clear and something you like. Feeling confident about your new name? Excellent! Hit the save button in the top right corner. Bam! New name. So congratulations, there you have it. Your WeChat contact will now see your updated display name. Remember, you can change this anytime, okay? You like to keep this fresh, so go forth and conquer the WeChat world with the fantastic new name.